Hello, hi friends. I am Manisha Gullane from Art and Science College. Today I am going to discuss atomic structure. Topic covered: introduction, theory, generation of atom. Atoms. Matter is anything that takes up space and has mass. All matter is made up of atoms. Atoms are the basic building blocks of matter. They make up everything around us. Your desk, the board, your body, everything is made up of atom. Atoms are too small to see without powerful microscope. Atomic structure. Atoms, smallest particle of an element that has all the properties of that element. Atoms are the basic building block of matter that make up everyday objects. Two main parts of an atom: nucleus. 99.9% of the atoms mass, electron cloud or energy rings. Atoms are made up of subatomic particles, proton, neutrons and electrons, but these three are the fundamental particles of the atom. Atomic structure. See the model. There are two basic components in every atom: electron cloud and nucleus. But nucleus is the center part of the atom and it consists of the proton and neutron. And electron cloud is means electron is around the nucleus. Subatomic particles. Three subatomic particles make up every atom: proton, neutron and electron. Proton and neutron both are the present in the core and electron is around the nucleus. Subatomic particle again: electron cloud, electron orbit the nucleus and nucleus, protons and neutrons are found in the center of the atom. See the carbon. Carbon is a element symbol and element name is the carbon. Atomic number of carbon is 6 and atomic mass number is the 12.01. See the atomic theory and we will discuss John Dalton. All matter is made up of atoms. Atoms are too small to see, indivisible and indestructible. All atoms if given element are identical. His proposed model shown in figure. Then Thomson discovered the negative electron and predicted that there also must be a positive particle to hold the electrons in space. It is shown in figure. Rutherford discovered the nucleus of an atom and named the positive particle in the nucleus protons. Concluded that electrons are scattered in the empty space around the nucleus, which is given by Rutherford. See in model, Chandvik discovered that neutrons were also located in the nucleus of an atom and that they contain no charge, which is given by Bohr. This model is given by the Bohr. Concluded that electrons are located in planet-like orbits around the nucleus in certain energy level. See the last model of this, the modern model of the atom. It is the modern atomic theory. The electrons do not orbit the nucleus in neat planet-like orbits but move at a high speed in an electron cloud around the nucleus. Thank you.